common frustration in the finishing process is the excess buildup of finish or runs in the finish. Now if you notice the run before you leave it to dry, you can dip a brush in lacquer thinner and blend the run back into the finish. But if you leave it to dry for a few hours and come back to discover that you've missed a run, then what do you do then? Sanding it down doesn't seem to work because it just floats over the finish and will eventually sand to raw wood around the buildup, but the run will still remain. You need to remove the buildup until it is flat with the rest of the finish. To do so, you can either cut or scrape with a very sharp utility knife blade. Once it's even with the rest of the finish, you can sand evenly and apply the next coat.